Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, renovated administrative building gateway with a classy corporate look inaugurated at SAIL RSP. Be the best, don't settle for the less, advises CEO RSP to RSP Collective. And new computer lab inaugurated at Deepika Ispat Shiksha Sadan, the free school of SAIL RSP for underprivileged children. And now, the news in detail. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP SAIL, inaugurated the remodeled administrative building gateway with a classy corporate look on 30th July 2021. Present on the occasion were Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, EDP and A, Mr. C.R. Mohapatra, CGM in charge MM and Marketing, Mr. Praveen Nigan, CGM in charge F&A, the Chief General Managers, Heads of Departments, representative of trade unions, Executive Association and a small cross-section of employees. The CEO also planted a sapling near the gate to mark the occasion and inaugurated a renovated garden with a new look, Prashasanik Udyan, behind the administrative building. A plantation drive was also organized around the administrative building campus where members of trade unions, executive association and a small cross-section of employees participated. Around 50 saplings were planted at the event. It may be noted that the new gateway with 8 pillars holds the top rectangular canopy measuring 23.55 meter into 7.84 meter. The width of the gateway is 6 meters each. It is attached with huge steel gates and a space for security watch. The gate has been built using in-house resources comprising 40 tons of structural materials. The elegant color combination and the fountain stream on both sides with decorative lighting facility have added to the graceful look of the structure. The Civil Engineering Services Department of RSP has executed the job. Similarly, the Prashasanik Udyan has been beautifully landscaped to host a tastefully crafted gazebo and a striking steel bridge over a remodeled pond. The garden offers a visual treat with ducks and fishes swimming in the pond, beautifully landscaping with embellished green lawns, flower beds and elegantly decorated lighting arrangements. All the construction, erection and beautification jobs have been the joint effort of Civil Engineering Services Department, Structural and Fabrication Shop and Field Machinery Maintenance. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj expressed his happiness over the project and congratulated all the units associated with its development. The new look entrance is at par with giant companies in terms of beauty and convenience. It is worth mentioning here that the earlier structure had become old and the roads were not broad enough for the smooth flow of vehicular traffic. In view of the prevailing issues of logistics and to give a facelift to remain at par with the corporate industry peers, the renovation has been executed. Be the best, don't settle for the less, advised Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO, while interacting with a cross-section of executives in a virtual session of HR initiative Unmukt on 27 July 2021. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, all the Chief General Managers, heads of departments joined the online session. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj started his address acknowledging the praiseworthy determination and dedication of RSP Collective that helped the steel plant surpass many major historic milestones. He spoke about the significant achievement of 100 million tons hot metal production, thus entering the elite club of steel industries with such a distinction, highlighting the extraordinary performance of RSP in all major areas in the last couple of years despite the pandemic-induced challenges. The CEO said, "Today, RSP is considered amongst the best performing plants of the country. The challenge of remaining at the top is more challenging than reaching there. I am confident that Team RSP will sustain the performance to scale new highs in future." The CEO described the expert and energetic manpower as the real asset of RSP. "We need to trigger the talents so as to create leadership at every level of the organization," he emphasized. Mr. Chattaraj also spoke at length on different issues pertaining to production, productivity, safety, environment, health, as well as services, and urged everyone to adopt innovative methods to achieve further improvements. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Pankaj Kumar stressed on sustaining the momentum and urged the collective to continue their determined efforts. Mr. Kundu, in his address, exhorted the collective to use the forum to chalk out strategies and help the plant scale new peaks of excellence. A film made by the Public Relations Department to mark the 100 million ton hot metal production was released by the CEO on the occasion. The film portraying the 6-decade journey of the steel plant was screened on the occasion. Mr. Chattaraj also released the album Mosaic of Moments, a compilation of the mosaic of moments that catalyzed the pace of the historic achievement and created a sustainable mode of excellence of RSP. The CEO also launched the digitalization portal of RSP. Notably, the portal has been developed by Mr. Gajendra Seth, DPO, CNIT, Ms. Atashi Parmanik, CGM, AI and IT, elaborated about the functioning of the portal. Later, the CEO interacted with the executives who suggested many proposals which were discussed threadbare in the session. A new computer lab was inaugurated at Deepika Ispat Shiksha Sadan, the free school managed by Deepika Mahila Sangati under the tutelage of SAIL Rockland Steel Plant RSP by Mrs. Raka Chattaraj, President Deepika Mahila Sangati on 31st July 2021. Present on the occasion were Mrs. Suman Lata, Mrs. Kiran Sinha, Mrs. Sumita Shrushtidhar Samal and Mrs. Hiranmay Satpathy, the Vice Presidents DMS, Mr. A.K. Nayak, CGM, TA and CSR, Ms. Munmun Mitra, DGM, CSR, Mrs. Namita Mahapatra, Secretary, DMS, and other governing body members of DMS. The dignitaries also distributed Scout and Guide Governors Award Certificate to 33 students. They also planted saplings on the occasion. The new computer lab is furnished with 10 fully equipped networked computers with remote classroom facility, a large 55-inch LED display screen and internet connection along with required furniture, etc. The lab has been established to keep pace with the changing scenario of the digitized world, especially with the onslaught of the pandemic. The center would help easy accessibility and better acquaintance with the ongoing online education system to the students coming from BPL families. It will go a long way in getting the students engaged in remote class modes in small groups, learn programming for further vocational skill development, engage in web learning and interactive education modules. The free school meant for the underprivileged children residing in and around Rourkela Township at present has 675 students on the roll. It is worth mentioning here that the students of this school are being provided with almost all educational materials right from regular and winter uniforms to books, school bags and shoes as well as nutritious midday meal free of cost. The students are in turn performing exceptionally well in both curricular as well as extracurricular activities. Its first batch of students appeared the Class 10 board examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education, Orissa in 2016 and since then the pass percentage of the school has been 100%. That's all for today's news bulletin. Namaskar.